So, you want to start earning money with apps, but you have no money to start with. I'm talking $0. Well, you're in the right place because in this video, I'm going to show you over 100 apps that you can use to earn money literally starting from zero. Now, the fact that you clicked on this video tells me that you're already smarter than most people because most people don't even believe this is possible, so they never even get started. Now, the crazy thing about what I'm going to show you here is this only requires clicking buttons. There's absolutely no brains or hard work necessary. Now, I know that's a bold claim, but I'm here to prove to you that this is in fact possible. Now, before we jump into the actual apps that you're going to be using to make money, I want to show you exactly how this works. So what I want to show you here is how I've earned tens of thousands of dollars using a variety of different apps. Again, just clicking buttons and doing no physical work and investing no money. What's up, everyone? My name is James Jernigan, and what I want you to understand is I'm a regular person just like you. Before I started making money online with apps, I used to spend 70 hours per week delivering packages for UPS. You probably have a UPS guy in your neighborhood. That used to be me in Baltimore City, but now I have no boss and no schedule. I only spend a couple hours per day working, and I make more money working less time. So I want you to ask yourself, what would your life look like 1 year from now if you started automating your income with AI and applications today? So what I did was I wanted this so bad that I spent about 5 years learning how to do this. And in fact, my wife and I gave up everything, including our house, and bought a school bus so that we could lower our expenses and have more time to figure out exactly how this works. So we bought a yellow school bus. We did a whole lot of work to turn it into an apartment on wheels. And we have since been traveling the country and making money online with apps, all while seeing beautiful scenery and going on hikes, climbing mountains, looking at wildflowers, going fishing, and all that kind of stuff. But this isn't about me. Maybe you don't want to spend time in nature, but what I want to show you here is how you can spend more time doing whatever it is you want to do using apps. So I have the exact steps here, and we're not going to waste any time. Let's just go ahead and get started. But before we do, comment "earn without investment" on this video if you're willing to click buttons for money. Again, you're already smarter than most people because most people just assume this is not possible and they never even try it. But if you're willing to click buttons for money, then this is the video for you. And there's only 4 simple steps. And actually, the last step is just getting paid. So it's technically only 3 steps. And we're going to jump into it right now. Obviously, the first step is finding something that will actually pay you. Now, there's a ton of scam apps out there that are going to waste your time asking you to take surveys and do all kinds of crazy stuff for a few cents. That's not what I'm showing you here. In other words, there's no free money. But what I want to show you is a simple automated sales system that you can set up that's going to earn money for you, basically on autopilot. Now, there is a caveat. You will have to click a few buttons, but that's about it. So, the first place to get started is by heading to copythelist.com. This is where you can get my list of apps that will pay you for literally clicking buttons, for sharing a link. So just come here, you can click this button to copy it to your Google Sheets account, or you can download it directly to your device. But anyways, this is the list of apps. Now, what this is a list of affiliate links. In other words, these are links that will pay you just for sharing a link to them, and anytime someone buys a product, you get paid. So that's how I was able to earn $10,000 on this one affiliate program, and I've done this on a bunch of other affiliate programs too, so that's what I want to show you. But anyways, the first place to start is by finding one or several of these apps that you want to start promoting, and this list here makes it super simple. This column tells you exactly what the tool does, this column gives you a link to sign up, and this column has some notes and details about what these different apps are and what they do. A lot of them are AI tools, some of them are marketing tools, and there's all different kinds of products you can promote, again, just by clicking buttons. So that's the first step, finding an app that will actually pay you and that's not a scam. And that's why I created this list at copythelist.com to make it super simple so you don't have to do what I did and spend years finding the apps that actually work. They're all right here on the list, and you can sign up for all these and start making money with them for free. You don't have to spend any money to start promoting these and getting paid. So we're going to jump into the exact system that will make you money. So step 2 is to set up an automated sales system. Now, if you're serious about this, I have a free checklist that goes into detail about the exact steps, and you can grab it at profitpassively.com. But here's a quick overview of how this system works, what you're going to learn from the free checklist at profitpassively.com. The first step is to create AI videos. Again, we're just going to be clicking buttons to do this. I actually use this tool you can get here at oneclickvids.com. And this creates videos literally just by typing a sentence, and then a video comes out. So that's super simple, and you could see that that is step 3 to create AI content to drive traffic. And again, that's using oneclickvids.com. But here's how this works. You create the AI videos using the tool at oneclickvids.com. This tool is also going to let you schedule these videos out, so after you create them, you can put them into a calendar and they will post to your accounts automatically. Now, what these videos do is promote your affiliate links, the links from this checklist at copythelist.com. So once you create these videos, you put them into the calendar, they post to your accounts. The next step is to then auto respond to anyone who engages with your video and send them the link that makes you money. Now, ordinarily, if you send them directly to that link, they might not buy, they might leave and be gone forever. So what we want to do instead is send them to an opt-in page. This is a simple web page where they can enter their email address to get more information, and then we're going to send them over to the link to the app that makes you money. And again, people don't buy things the first time they see it. Usually they bounce. In other words, they leave the page without buying. But since we got them to opt in, we can now use AI generated emails that again go out to them on autopilot and bring them right back to this page. So if they come back to this page on day 2 and they don't buy, that's okay. Day 3, they'll get another email and then another email, and you can really create as many of these as you want. I recommend a 30-day email sequence so that they get emails for the next month. But if you wanted to go crazy, you could set up 365 emails. You could email them every day for the next year. It's really up to you. But if you want to see the steps in detail, again, I have a free checklist. You can grab it at profitpassively.com. And then, like I said, the next step is to actually create the AI content to drive traffic. And if you use the tool at oneclickvids.com, you can literally just type a sentence or type an idea into this tool, and it's going to spit out a video, again, which you can schedule out to your accounts automatically. So then again, the chatbot is going to send the link to anyone who comments on your video. They're going to opt in, and then they're going to get 30 automated emails sending them directly to the link that makes you money. Again, here's what that looks like. The more people you get to click on this link, the more transactions, in other words, sales you make, and the more money you're going to earn. And again, at copythelist.com, you can get this spreadsheet for free, and there are hundreds of different tools here that you can promote for money, hundreds of different applications. And down here, you'll see that there are actually affiliate networks, and this is where you're going to find hundreds, if not thousands, of these apps that will pay you, again, literally just for sharing a link. So the platforms down here are going to have tons and tons of offers, but the ones up here are the ones I recommend. These are the latest cutting edge AI tools, and obviously, if you've spent any time at all online, you know that AI is absolutely exploding now, and so that means it's what people are looking for, it's trending, and people are actually going to buy this stuff. So I recommend promoting the tools, the applications here at the top of this list. But if you want even more stuff, if you're not into marketing or AI, like I said, there are affiliate networks down here, and these are going to have hundreds, if not thousands, of products and applications that you can promote for money online. So again, looking at this system here, none of this requires hard work. None of this requires thought. All it requires is that you click buttons. So we're clicking buttons to generate AI videos. I already showed you how that works. We schedule them in, we set up a chatbot, and again, all of these tools that are required for this process are on this list here at copythelist.com. And if you want to know how to actually use these tools to set up this automated system, head to profitpassively.com and grab the free checklist. So how are you going to create these AI emails that go out on autopilot? Well, check this out. Using ChatGPT or Google Gemini, I prefer Google Gemini. Here, I'm just going to write a simple prompt. Write me a high converting 7-day email sequence that sells an AI video generator called One-Click Vids. Use common pain points and proven sales psychology to convince readers to start a subscription. Target people who work 2 jobs and want to earn money online. So I'll go ahead and just run this. And just for the sake of time, I said 7-day email sequence, but you could just as easily tell this to create a 30-day email sequence or a 100-day email sequence, however many you want to send out. So you can see here, there's an email that's literally ready for me to copy and paste. Hi, are you feeling overwhelmed by your workload? You're not alone. Juggling 2 jobs can be exhausting, and finding time to create engaging content is nearly impossible. Imagine being able to create professional-looking videos in just a few clicks without any video editing skills. That's where One-Click Vids comes in. We'll be sharing more about how One-Click Vids can revolutionize your content creation process in the coming days. Right? And then so all we have to do is copy and paste this email into our automated system here, and suddenly AI is selling these products for us on autopilot. And again, all we did was click buttons, right? I had to type a couple sentences here, right? How long did this take me? 30 seconds, maybe a minute to type that. And now suddenly I have 7 emails that I can copy and paste and put into an automated system that are going to actually sell products for me. So that's really how simple this system is. So step 4 is to get paid every time AI sells a product for you. So again, there are hundreds of tools that you can promote, hundreds of different apps you can use to make money online, and they are all at copythelist.com and free to sign up. And that is how you're going to earn money using apps without wasting a bunch of time, without taking surveys for a few cents, right? You can earn tens of thousands of dollars doing this. Now, of course, that's not a guarantee. You're probably going to start small. You might start earning an extra $5, $10, then you'll earn $100, then you might earn $1,000, then $10,000. But the sky is the limit with this stuff. You can really scale this to infinity just by clicking buttons, right? The more times you click the button, the more AI videos you generate, and the more you can fill up your calendar with content. And the farther advanced you set this up, the less time you have to spend working. And that's how my wife and I have been able to travel the country for the past 2 years, virtually doing whatever we want every single day, because AI is selling these apps for us, and we are getting paid every time someone makes a sale. Whether we're sleeping, whether we're out hiking, whether we're driving the bus, whether I'm fishing, this system is running on autopilot to generate sales. And all it requires that I do, again, is just clicking buttons. Now, again, there's no free money. You actually have to do something. If you just watch this video and expect to wake up with money in your account tomorrow, I'm sorry, that's not going to happen. What you have to do is take action, and that's why I've set all of this up for you. I've created this checklist at copythelist.com, so you can literally click one button and save yourself the 5 years of time that I spent finding all of these offers that actually work and actually convert into sales. So instead of spending 5 years to compile this information and find it for yourself like I did, I've made it so you can literally just click one button and get it all in an instant. And on top of that, I've gone ahead and set up a free step-by-step checklist that's going to walk you through this entire process step by step, and that's at profitpassively.com. So if you're really serious about this, you can go to profitpassively.com/AI, and I've created a video course where I have a video that shows you how to use each of the tools necessary to set up this process. But don't just take my word for it. If you come to this page, you could see the reviews from other people I've helped do this same stuff. Chance says he's grown his list and made thousands of dollars from the things he's learned from me. And the point of this is there's no getting on camera, no complicated editing, no spending hours online. We want to just make money by clicking buttons. Again, most people think this is impossible, but I've gone ahead and proved that it is possible, not only for myself, but I've helped hundreds of other people do it. So Shafeen says, no one is teaching this with AI, dude. Good stuff. Joe says he bought one of my SEO courses 2 years ago, and it was easily 100% the best value of any course he's ever purchased. And the reviews go on and on and on, so check it out for yourself. Like I said, if you're serious about this, profitpassively.com/AI. For less than the cost of like going on a date to Applebee's, you can get a video training that's going to walk you through step by step setting all of this up. But if you really have absolutely no money to start with, I'm talking zero, then just go ahead and grab the free checklist at profitpassively.com and just follow the steps and set this system up for yourself so that it can run on autopilot and you can spend more time doing what you love. So with that said, if you haven't already, be sure to click the red subscribe button down below. My analytics say that almost 90% of the people who watch my videos are not subscribed. So if that's you, click the red button right now, and that way you'll see my content in the future when I create videos showing you how to make money online, clicking buttons, using AI, using automation, and basically just doing things the laziest way possible. Because I've worked hard. Like I said, I used to work at UPS, worked 70 hours a week delivering packages, and it was pretty miserable. Whereas now, on the other hand, I click buttons, I get to spend time in nature doing whatever I want. And if that's something that you're interested in, then like I said, click the subscribe button. If you click the bell icon, you'll get notifications on your phone each and every time I upload a video, so you can be one of the first people to watch the video and take action. Other than that, if you made it this far in the video, go ahead and click the thumbs up button. That's going to let me know you appreciate this content, as well as trigger the algorithm to show it to more people who it can help and can hopefully also spend less time working and make more money. So with that said, I hope you have an awesome day. I hope you make a ton of money online. I can't wait to see you in the next AI money making video, and I hope most importantly that you take action on this stuff. You go to copythelist.com, grab these tools, and start promoting them so that you can start earning extra money, or really as much money as you want. So that's it. I will see you on the next video.